Hi friends, it's Daphne, your smart shopper. So grocery ads will be coming out, or they already are, and I took a sneak peek, especially at Bashas'. It caught my eye because they have red seedless grapes on sale this week. You can purchase up to 6 pounds for 77 cents a pound. So I thought I'd show you how you can make a super simple red grape salsa along with some inexpensive tacos. So here's all you need. So you need a pound of red seedless grape tomatoes. Throw that in there along with one on the vine tomato, which will cost you this week on sale for 77 cents a pound. Plus you need 1/3 cup of red onions, and then you need some green onions. Put that in there, mix it all together. Obviously you chop it up, and then you could top it off with a little bit of cilantro, and then you want to add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, stir it all together, and voila, here you have your homemade salsa. This right here will cost you a total of $1.81 with the items that are on sale at Bashas'. And keep in mind that you can just look below for the complete recipe and cost breakdown. Okay, let's move on to tacos. That's pretty good, and it's gonna taste pretty yummy. And then put a little pinch of salt in there too. Okay, on to the next thing, tacos. So pretty basic when it comes to making beef tacos. I don't do anything super lavish, but here's why you're gonna wanna make tacos, because Bashas' has 80% ground beef on sale for $1.99 a pound. It's sold in large value packs, and you can buy up to 2 packages at that price. In addition to that, you can also get avocados on sale for 77 cents each, and they also have Food Club brand cheddar cheese or any kind of cheese that you want, as long as it's shredded or cubed, in a 6 to 8 ounce package for $1.77 each. So what I usually do is I like to make, this is not on sale, but I love these uncooked tortillas. They're fresh and they're yummy, and you've got it nice and hot, and this will cost you $3. That's the regular price, and you get 12. You'll only need 4 for this if you're cooking for a family of 4, unless they want seconds. Okay, let me get a little spoon here. So all you're gonna do is put in your ground beef, just like that. You're gonna put in your freshly cut avocado, like that. And then you want to sprinkle a little bit of your cheese on after you've cooked your tortilla, because these are uncooked, so you want to cook them. Cook it right there. And then, guess what? You can top it off with your red seedless grape salsa. And look at that. So, total cost for this taco is going to be just $1. How's that for a deal? So all the information is below, and don't forget to check your grocery ads when they come out. Make sure to make a list and check for coupons so you can stack those deals and really save. As always, I appreciate your time. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.